Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Yo-Yo Spin Past. Now, this is one of those moves you need to have known some things before. You need to know how to do a yo-yo. I'll put a link in the description below, and if you've learned some spins in some moves, you're going to be fine. Okay, it's a very simple move, and it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is kind of the equivalent of the first move push behind, but using the spin on the return instead of the spin on the turn past. So right to right, we go semicircle back. 1, standard yo-yo up until here. Cross the chest. 2, still standard yo-yo. Twist and lady out. 3. So this is where it changes. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take a step forwards. We're going to turn to our right. We're going to pull our right hand through the middle and release to lead a return spin for the lady. And then all we've got to do is catch and step back. So let's do that one more time slow. We go semicircle back 1, in across the chest 2, preparation 3, spinning 4 and catching 5. That step forward can be done during the prep or during the movement into the spin. Both are good. So let's do it to a count. 5, a 6, a yo-yo spin past. We go a back, in, prep, spin and catch. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it watching, and like, subscribe and hit the bell. I can't say how much I really appreciate it, well, we really appreciate it when people hit like and subscribe, because it helps promote the channel, really helps promote dancing as well. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end, and thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.